Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another Fan Feature Friday. Hope you all had a great week and as always an even better weekend planned ahead. We had some good news. We saw the interior of the new 2024 runners, so that was very cool. And another news was from Chevy with the new Corvette. I don't know if you guys are into other brands other than Toyota, but I love all cars. And the new Corvette C8 is going to be mid-engine and it's coming in under $60,000. And how does this relate to Toyota news? Well, the Supra comes in at about $50,000. $10,000 is a huge chunk of change. But when you look at those two cars and what you get out of them for that price, it's going to be rough for Toyota to try to spin that one. So anyways, who do we have to celebrate this Fan Feature Friday with us? We got Scott from California and his 2016 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro that he did not pay too much money for in California. He outsourced his search and he actually picked it up in Oklahoma, worked with a great salesman out there. So guys, if you put in the research, get your pros for MSRP or under if you can, and work with someone who's willing to work with you. So I will leave Scott's Instagram down below, StormyT4R, so you guys can go and check him out. Awesome little stormtrooper thing he's got going on with this 4Runner, which is a classic for white and black look, and it looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and get into some of the modifications that he's done. He's went with the 2-inch Toytec lift that they specialize for the TRD Pro suspension for the Bilstings. He's upgraded his ridge grapplers to 285/70/17s, RSG Metalworks rock sliders, put a GoPro mount up in the windshield just like the Tacoma does. I don't know why it just doesn't come with it, but whatever. He did his own handmade ham radio mount, Rago Fab modular storage panels, Husky floor liners, smoked amber grill lights. He's Laminixed the fog lights amber. He did the Cali raised LED ditch lights, all LEDs throughout the whole vehicle. He has the LFD ruggedized modular crossbars up top. Super cheap option, guys, if you don't want to go with a whole roof rack. Advanced Solutions LED H1 pods that he's used to wire up for reverse lights for his receiver. He has a high lift jack, some X-Spool recovery boards, and also the Rotopax, all that he mounts on the roof. And that's the cool thing about those modular bars. I mean, I haven't had a whole bunch of crap up on my vehicle that's overland off-road worthy, but I have had stuff up there. But it's super cheap bars, guys, and instead of just paying for a whole roof rack. And then he's homemade some like paracord grab handles, which is actually pretty cool. And then he has the Tufskinz steering wheel inserts. Some of the future modifications that he wants to do is a white upTOP Alpha 4R full roof rack with the LED bar. I don't think I've ever seen that one. An iCamper hardshell rooftop tent, SSO front bumper with a LED bar and a winch, a rigid ultra swing hitch carrier for a spare tire, and a C4 hatch ladder. So Scott, thank you again for sending in your 4Runner to be featured on Fan Feature Friday. I appreciate it. Guys, his Instagram will be down in the description. Go ahead and give him a follow. I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I will catch you all in the next Fan Feature Friday. All right, see you later.